Let's see what we have going on here. Ooh, nice. Oh, I love that. Talk about having a pulse on what your plants need. It's really important. You know, after we have inclement weather, water saturation is a really big thing. As a matter of fact, your plants green up right away, but because the kind of nitrogen they're pulling out of the atmosphere is fleeting, it's going to go away really quick. See, this is kind of what happens over here. Imagine all of these marbles here kind of being like soil particles. We have sand, silt, clay, organic matter. Then we're going to take and we're going to fill this up with water, and it fills up, and oh, see how everything is getting bathed by the water? That's a good thing. And then eventually it is going to go away. So before you know it, your soil is going to dry out. We have to keep it nice and moist, and that's a really key factor there. For instance, if you imagine a soil structure being like this sponge over here, it absorbs water, but we don't want it wet because that's not good for the roots. If you squeeze it out, you've got yourself moist soil. Here's another way to look at it. Here we have some soil that's absolutely perfect, has all those properties in there, and then when we take and we squeeze it, this is exactly how it's supposed to be. It's going to hold together a little bit, but certain pieces are going to fall apart on you. So just make sure that when you are in the position to start watering your plants, that you get that moisture as far down as possible, and then you're going to be able to feed it, fertilize it, the roots will come to it. Let me tell you, when it comes time for that checkup, oh yeah, that is good. Your plants are going to be digging it. Yeah, go ahead, cough.